Hello everyone, Aaron here and welcome back to Leetcode. Today we are doing the find players with 0 or 1 losses problem. Given an integer array matches, where matches I equals winner I, comma loser I, indicates that the player winner I defeated player loser I in a match. Return a list answer of size 2, where answer 0 is a list of all players that have not lost any matches, and answer 1 is a list of all players that have lost exactly 1 match. The values in the two lists should be returned in increasing order. So basically they need to be sorted. You should only consider the players that have played at least 1 match. Test cases will be generated such that no 2 matches will have the same outcome. Okay. So this condition means basically there's not some secret player 42 or something that has never lost a match because they've never played a match. That wouldn't be fair because they're never recorded. The test cases will be generated so that no 2 matches will have the same outcome. I don't quite know why we need that condition, but that just means this list is unique. So if we see 5 played 6, then we will never 5 beating 6, then we will never see 5 beating 6 ever again. I don't quite know why I need that. Anyway, reading this, I'm not quite sure. Well, it seems too easy is my first gut instinct here. So for example here, the matches lists all of these players. What we can do is we can just say, well, there's a player 1, there's a player 3, there's a player 2, there's a player 6, there's a player 5, there's a player 7, there's a player 4, there's a player 8, there's a player 9, there's a player 10. So let's collect all of those players. Player 3 lost 1, 2, twice. Player 6 lost twice. Player 7 lost once. Player 5 lost once. Player 8 lost once. Player 9 lost twice. And player 4 lost once. So those are our lost onces handled. And these ones here are simply all the values that don't occur in our set of players that ever lost. Seems quite straightforward. All players is a set. Losers is a dictionary. Okay, let's make it a default dict of integers. Whoops, wrong key. Import collection. So if you've not seen collections before, it's got lots of useful little utilities in it. It's a Python library. Default dict creates a dictionary. Normally if you try and read from a dictionary and the key doesn't exist, you get a key error. In this case, it returns the neutral element, the identity element of this type. So for ints, it returns a 0. For lists, it returns an empty list. For sets, it returns an empty set. All of that kind of thing. So this means if I'm ever trying to add onto a value in this losers set, if it doesn't exist, it's implicitly got a 0. So if I try and add 1, it works. So for winner, loser in matches, all I can't type players add winner, all players dot add loser, loser plus equals 1. The 0 losses is equal to all players without set losers.keys. 1 losses is the list. In fact, what I want to do is I want to turn this result into a list as well. The 1 losses are the player for the player, and the losses in losers not items if the number of losses is precisely equal to 1. Then we want to do 0 losses sort, 1 losses sort, just because it explicitly asks that they be returned in increasing order for some reason. And I want to return 0 losses, 1 losses. So if we were to have a go with this example here, we would see that there's players 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would collect all of them into all players, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We would say 3 lost twice and 4 lost twice. So 3 and 4 are the things that end up in our set of losers. All players is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to throw out 3 and 5, so that's 1, 2, 5, 6. Oops, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're just going to sort them. In the 1 losses here, we're going to go through our 3 and 4 and see they're both lost twice, so this list is going to end up empty. Let's run it. Works for that one. That's the one we... Oh, sorry. That was for that case. And we've sort of done a quick proof that that one seems to work. So let's test it works for the second one as well, which we seem to think works. Sure enough, it does. Now the question becomes, is there some case I've forgotten? Is this too slow, perhaps? It's not terribly slow. This is order M for the number of matches. This is order P for the number of players. This is order P for the number of players. This is P log P. This is P log P. So overall, it's M plus P log P. That's pretty fast. I can't immediately see what the problem would be with that solution. It was perfectly fast enough. Great. Obviously, these numbers are wildly unreliable. They don't tend to tell you anything useful at all. But it looks like, at the very least, we're stumbling upon the solution everyone else had that was fast enough. Great. That's a quick one today. Right. Do let me know how you got on. Was there a different way? Did I miss some obvious solution that you're meant to do and get trapped on? I'm not sure. Do let me know. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Oh, another thing I do want to mention, we're somehow, by some madness, I'm getting close to 100 subscribers. Do let me know what you think would make a great 100 sub special. I would absolutely love to do something cool for that. Ideas and comments. Anyway, that's it from me. Have a good week, and I will see you next time. Bye.